High-performance engines and drivetrain components can be expensive, and one of the best ways to protect your hard-earned investment is by controlling the fluid temperatures within them. Earl's UltraPro fan pack style coolers are an ideal way to prevent your engine oil, power steering fluid, differential lube, and transmission fluids from losing their cool and ruining your day. Earl's uses a highly efficient aluminum stack plate design to construct their UltraPro fan pack coolers. We use a state-of-the-art brazing technique to create a durable, long-lasting cooler with maximum flow and minimal pressure drop. The key to cooler temps is airflow, so we use only high-quality SPAL electric fans to get the job done. Our fan motors are designed to provide longer service life, and they're fully sealed for increased liability and performance in even the most extreme environments. A premium fan shroud finishes out the Earl's fan pack coolers, redirecting the airflow where it's needed the most. Earl's coolers can be installed in almost anything from your daily driver, tow rig, or pit vehicles. They can even handle high-performance racing applications. Earl's fan pack coolers feature AN-style O-ring ports for use with our specialized ORB cooler fittings and AN hose ends to give you a leak-free seal. Earl's offers convenient oil cooler mounting brackets for our narrow, wide, and extra-wide versions of our coolers. The optional aluminum brackets make installation even easier and will dress up any engine bay. They're wrapped in an attractive black finish to match the UltraPro coolers. So don't lose your cool. Protect your high-performance investment with a premium UltraPro oil cooler and fan pack from Earl's. Thanks for watching. For more information on our full line of UltraPro oil coolers, fan packs, and oil cooler accessories, visit our website at earls.com.